at Newark Airport, I believe the A terminal. Let's see what the New York City. That's not down on
In the age of aviation security, do not leave your luggage unattended
I
at
got
any
another one of
time.
these cool glass
Do
elements.
not transport any item for someone you do not know.
Alright, watch it come up.
If you believe that someone is
It's before we
carrying
call
your
it.
or a stranger approaches
Try
you
to
without carrying a
tag.
foreign object,
No, I'm gonna watch my
contact an airline representative or the airport police immediately. All checked and carried on luggage is subject to search.
I'm gonna have to set it down. See the door operator, that's pretty cool. Alright, down to one.
Capacity is 9,000. Hefty. I guess I'm going to be getting on one of those buses in a minute. Guess I got to go to Terminal City. Alright, we'll take it on one more round trip just because I got some time. Alright, one more ride. We will film out this side. Oh. Someone started getting me on there, but decided against. I scared them. Okay. Yeah, we'll set it down. And we're gonna watch it go.
And watch the door operator do its thing. Now let's see if we can see the brand. What does it say? Who made these? Schindler! Schindler installed these. Well, that's that mystery solved. End of video.